So we've got someone I'm really proud to have in my office today. The man, the myth, the legend, my dad. Thanks for coming in.
My pleasure. Thank you very much, Doc.
Before you get on the table, do you have anything in your pockets you want to put in this basket?
Not really, but I guess I should.
Single-handedly giving my dad diabetes while we also get him better.
It's hopefully dark in here. Oh, okay. Now I can see. I used to put the milk on your back. Say, if you're a true man, you'll be able to take this. How long were these in the freezer before you brought them out? Oh, good old Caesar. Hurt so good, right? That's the song. John Mellencamp. Yeah, the chronic back pain has been with me, and it seems to exacerbate itself when I'm carrying luggage or if I'm playing golf all day.
You love golfing.
Types of things. I love golfing. Yep, it's one of my favorite pastimes.
Absolutely, and you're very good at it. You've been seeing me for pretty much since I've been in practice, but especially the last handful of months, you've been coming to see me every week.
Right.
How have you been doing since you've been coming in weekly?
Well, I've been doing a lot better, and the pain is not as frequent. And as a matter of fact, in my golf game last Friday, I had my first hole-in-one ever.
Congratulations.
And that's 56 years of playing golf, and then I first had my first hole-in-one. So it was wonderful. I give the credit to, of course, God, and then, of course, you for these adjustments. These are wonderful.
Cool. You feel like the adjustments, getting treated every week, has helped you continue to play golf a little bit more pain-free?
Oh, yeah. There's no question. And I'm more cognizant of how I stand, how I sit, those types of things, too. Trying to keep my back straight, which is basically what happens during the adjustment.
All right.
You put it back into order for me.
Absolutely.
So I'm very, very grateful.
And it means a lot to me. You come in, I get to give back to you after everything you've done for me. So appreciate you, Dad.
Yep. Well, it's out of love, and I appreciate your love back for me. So
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.